Hello everyone. Let's start with the 23rd question, which have two choices. Let's start with first one. Show that the differential equation dy by dx equals to x square upon x minus yx square is homogeneous and solve it. Now come to the solution part. Now first you have to learn about homogeneous differential equation. Mainly a first order differential equation is homogeneous when it is in the form of dy by dx equals to f by x. This is the main form by which we can confirm that this equation is homogeneous or not. This method has two formulas of solving, two techniques of solving. First one is separation of variables, but first we can, and the second one is the product rule. Okay, so you have your main focus is to convert this equation dy by dx into the form of f by x. Now come to solution. Here the dy by dx equals to y square upon x y minus x square. This is the given equation. So convert this equation into this form, this f by x form. So this is the y by x square whole y x minus 1. This is the conversion of differential equation into homogeneous differential equation. Now let put y equals to vx and differentiate it with respect to x. So we will get this equation, and by after solve this v plus x dy dx equals to v square of v minus 1. Hence this equation will be equals to v1 v minus 1. Now further solve with this equation, integrate it, we will get v minus log v equals to log x plus c. By solving this we will get the value of v as xy minus log yx plus equals to log x plus c, or this is the required equation. Now let's solve the second question, second part. This find the particular solution of the differential equation tan inverse y minus x dy equals to 1 plus y square dx given that x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. This is the given differential equation to us. So let's find the integrating factor equals to tan inverse y, and the solution will be of tan inverse y, this integral of tan inverse y dot e raised to power tan inverse y dy 1 plus y square. Solve this integral, you will get x e tan inverse y as this equation, and by solving this equation we will get x equals to 1, y equals to 0 and c equals to 2. Let's put these values of x, y and c in this equation. You will get x equals to tan inverse y minus 1 plus 2e tan inverse y.